an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Alright, let's repeat. Lion.
Lion.
See, that's how you do a lion. Lion.
Lion.
Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Hippo.
Hippo.
Okay, hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Now, charades, super easy. We'll have everyone guess what animal we're thinking about using descriptions. This animal has, okay, ready? So raise your hand. This animal is gray.
Elephant.
It's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
No, this animal has 2 big teeth.
I think it's a hippopotamus.
Yes, excellent. So now, you think
Okay.
about an animal and make us guess.
Okay.
Go.
Yes. This animal has 2 colors. 2 colors.
2 colors, okay.
It is a zebra. Yes.
Okay. So keep it really simple because this game you can adapt it to really small kids. We're talking 4, 5 years old or older. You know, you can of course add a lot more animals so it gets more complicated or other things. Charades, everyone! Bye!
Bye.